Welcome to Worldly Escape. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics for any adventurer out there: how to see the world for free. Now, before you think this is just another clickbait headline, trust me, it's not. There are countless ways to travel without breaking the bank, and some methods will even let you explore the globe entirely free of cost. From accommodation to transportation, I'm going to show you the insider secrets to making your dream of traveling the world a reality without needing to win the lottery. By the time we're done, you'll realize that not only is it possible to travel the world for free, but that you can start planning your free adventures today. So, let's start with a common misconception that keeps people from even considering travel. Travel is expensive. We've all been there. You open up a travel website and see flight prices that make your heart sink, or hotel costs that could easily eat up half your paycheck. It's no wonder so many people believe that only the rich can afford to see the world. But here's the reality: most people aren't aware of the alternative routes to travel. They get stuck thinking that luxury hotels and expensive flights are the only options, when, in fact, there's a whole world of free travel opportunities waiting to be discovered. From volunteering to house-sitting to leveraging travel rewards programs, there are plenty of ways to bypass traditional costs and see the world for free. In this guide, we'll tackle each of these barriers and show you the tricks that experienced travelers use to keep their adventures cost-free. Alright, now for the juicy part: how to actually travel for free. There are multiple strategies that can take you across the globe without you needing to open your wallet, and I'll walk you through the top methods that work. One of the best ways to travel the world for free is by volunteering abroad. Platforms like Workaway and WWOOF connect travelers with hosts all over the world who offer free accommodation and meals in exchange for a few hours of work per day. Whether it's helping out on a farm in New Zealand, teaching English in Vietnam, or assisting in wildlife conservation in Africa, you can immerse yourself in local cultures while saving money on food and lodging. Think about it. You get to live in stunning locations, meet incredible people, and experience life as a local, all without spending a cent on hotels or restaurants. Next up is house-sitting. This is one of the most underrated ways to see the world for free. Sites like trusted house sitters and house carers allow you to stay in people's homes while they're away, often in exchange for taking care of their pets or watering plants. You'll get access to beautiful homes around the world, often in desirable locations like Paris, Sydney, or New York, without paying a single dollar in rent. Not only will you be staying for free, but you'll also have access to full kitchens, which means saving on food costs by cooking your own meals. It's a double win. If you want to get even closer to the local culture, you can try Couchsurfing. This platform connects you with people willing to offer a spare room, a couch, or even just a floor space for free. It's not just about saving money on accommodation. Couchsurfing is about meeting locals who can show you around, give you insider tips, and make your travel experience more authentic. Just imagine this: staying in a local's home in Istanbul, learning about the hidden gems of the city, all while not spending a single cent on a hotel room. Now let's talk about flights. While they might seem like the biggest obstacle in traveling for free, there's a way around that too. Travel rewards programs. If you have a credit card that earns frequent flyer miles, you're already on your way to flying for free. Many credit cards offer sign-up bonuses that can cover the cost of an international flight after meeting a spending threshold. And with a bit of strategy, you can fly around the world without paying for airfare. It's all about knowing which cards to use and how to optimize your points. For example, cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or American Express Platinum are known for their great travel rewards. Once you start racking up miles, you can redeem them for flights, accommodation, and even rental cars. If you're under 30 and adventurous, you can apply for working holiday visas in countries like Australia, New Zealand, or Canada. These visas allow you to travel and work in the country for up to a year. Not only does this cover your travel costs, but it also allows you to earn money while experiencing life in a new country. Imagine working in a cafe in Sydney or on a farm in the New Zealand countryside. While funding your next travel adventure, you'll not only get to live in an amazing destination, but you'll be able to save for your future travels. Now, let me share my own experience, because this isn't just theoretical, I've actually lived it. I remember when I was just starting out, the idea of traveling the world seemed like an impossible dream. I had no big savings account, no luxury job that paid for constant travel, and I figured it would take me years before I could explore the places I dreamed of. But one day, I stumbled across the idea of house sitting. I started by applying to house sit in a small town in Italy. Not only did I get free accommodation, but I also had the chance to live in a beautiful countryside villa for 2 weeks. That opened my eyes to a whole new world of free travel opportunities. From there, I started looking into volunteering abroad and ended up teaching English in Thailand for 3 months, all while having my meals and lodging covered. Soon after, I found myself on a flight to New Zealand using miles I had earned from a travel rewards program. Before I knew it, I had spent 2 years traveling to over 10 countries, all for little to no cost. I wasn't just reading about it, I was living it. These methods aren't just for the rich or lucky, they work for anyone willing to put in the effort. So, let's recap the top ways to see the world for free. Volunteering abroad on platforms like Workaway and WWOOF. Using house-sitting sites like Trusted House Sitters to score free accommodation. Couchsurfing to stay with locals and immerse yourself in the culture. Leveraging travel rewards programs and credit card points for free flights. Applying for working holiday visas to travel and work in new countries. Travel doesn't have to be reserved for the rich. With a bit of creativity and some planning, you can explore the world without breaking the bank. The world is waiting, and it's more accessible than you think. Have you ever traveled for free or found clever ways to save on travel? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your tips. And if you're excited about exploring more travel hacks, don't forget to check out my other videos for even more ways to travel smarter, not harder. Hit that subscribe button and join me on the next adventure.